Now student, this is your next cell organelle, mitochondria, not mitochondria. It is mitochondria and it is having very special feature. Firstly, we will talk about the discovery of this mitochondria. The Kolliker, Kolliker was the first scientist who discovered mitochondria, but the name mitochondria was given by C. Benda. It means Kolliker who discovered this structure, but name was given by C. Benda. And the third scientist, Altman, who called this mitochondria as bioplast because it is living and plast means it looking like a fiber structure. So there are three scientists. The first, Kolliker, who discovered it and who coined the term mitochondria, is C. Benda, and Altman used the term bioplast. Now, mitochondria, it is found in most of the eukaryotic cell and it is absent in prokaryotic cell and in mammalian RBC. Mitochondria is called powerhouse. It means mitochondria called powerhouse of the cell, the house or power which produce large amount of energy whenever they required. Next is mitochondria having two membrane, the outer membrane which is continuous and the inner membrane which is generally enfolded, just like this, enfolded, and inside this folding a small crysty like substance is filled on the surface of this enfolding. It means inner membrane contain some crystal like structure, that crystal like structure, balloon like structure, crystal like structure, these are found on the inner surface of the, it means surface matlab inner membrane of the mitochondria. Mitochondria is semi-autonomous. It means only the two cell organelle, mitochondria, and second one is plastid. These two cell organelle having their own genetic material. It means DNA, RNA, ribosomes, and they form the protein. It means only two cell organelle, they have their own DNA and RNA. So they are partially dependent on the nucleus. It means not fully. That's why they are called semi-autonomous. Semi means half. Autonomous matlab regulatory. They can regulate all the process but partially, not fully. The shape of the mitochondria is cylindrical and the size 0.1 to 0.5 micron to 1 to 4 micron. मतलब इतने से ये इसकी ब्रेथ है और ये इसकी लेंथ है. 0.1 to 0.5 एंड 1 to 2 माइक्रोन, ये इसका साइज और लेंथ है, और लेंथ इंक्रीज भी हो सकती है. इट मीन्स 1 to 4 माइक्रोन. द इनर फोल्डिंग which having crysty balloon like structure, it means tennis like structure found on the surface of the inner membrane is called cristae, cristae, and that cristae is just look like this. This base portion is attached to the inner membrane, stalk and head portion. These two portion is generally towards the matrix side and base is attached to the inner membrane. यानी कि cristae have three part: base, stalk, head, and head contain an enzyme ATPase, and that enzyme help to produce ATP. It means adenosine, ADENOSINE, adenosine triphosphate, PHOSPHATE, phosphate, ATP. So ATP is called energy currency of the cell and mitochondria is called powerhouse, यानी कि powerhouse which produce energy, and ATP which generate or release energy whenever required. So what are the function of mitochondria? It is also called oxysome. Whether you called oxysome, whether you called cristae, both are right. So what are the functions of mitochondria? Firstly, mitochondria is the site where aerobic respiration occur. Aerobic respiration means in the presence of oxygen, energy is released. Powerhouse of the cell, semi-autonomous molecule or organelles. So these are the functions of mitochondria.